another Derivan FAQ. So here I have some structure titanium white, but we often get asked, what about mixing whites? So what about mixing whites? Mixing whites are whites that have less pigment in them. So what we want to do is turn this structure into a mixing white. So basically we can add a medium to it. And the mediums that I add is either impasto medium, gel medium, or polymer gloss varnish. Now you notice that the first two, impasto and gel medium, will keep it a thick consistency, and the polymer gloss varnish will make it run. But they're all mixing whites. So if you need a mixing white, just add a medium. Really simple. Give it a go. Go on. Have a play.